Hey everyone, this is me, Dolev, and today I'm staying at the VERT Hotel in Jerusalem, formerly the Crown Plaza and the Hilton Jerusalem, and this is gonna be a tour of my hotel room. So I'm staying in room number 832, just the key, and let's begin. So first, there's the door, there's the interlock, gonna lock it, and that's the evacuation plan of this floor. Funny thing that is, when I checked in, I got a room 822, which that room is already occupied, and it was a mistake, so I just went down to the reception and told them that the room is occupied, and I got this room instead. And my camera is not focusing, so yeah. Focus! Ow. Yeah, Sony cameras are great, but they have lots of focusing issues. Alright, never mind. So yeah, basically this is where I'm staying. Over there are the gas elevators. Focus. And there's all the service elevators, there's staircases on those parts. And straight in here in 4 languages. But my camera won't the fucking focus, so yeah, should have been filmed this with my iPhone instead. Anyway, it does in 4 languages, which is Hebrew, English, French, and German. And now, let's go to the toilet. Bathroom. So this is how the bathroom looks like. There's a mirror, there's a sink, made by Hnamd. There's a fan, another close-up mirror. That's the commode. You can see over here. Oh, oops. Let's try to flush the water down. Yeah, basically this is what the commode looks like. And that is the shower. Not gonna use it because I don't wanna get wet. And that was basically the bathroom. So now we're gonna look at the actual room. So this is the bed. There are actually 2 beds here. And there is a phone and some notes and Spotify playlist. Actually, a Spotify playlist card. Should probably have shitty pop music over there, not like the hard rock music that I listen usually. There's a mirror and there's me. Hey everyone. You probably didn't see it because light on the outside. And there's a closet. There's probably these are probably some fuck it. That's the weight. Just wait how you look. Just so your weight. There's a safe, but I'm probably not gonna use it. There's some do not disturb signs, a blanket, and there's the other closet. You can actually use your clothes in there. And for the next, alright. And let's see what we have over there. Was probably expecting for Tanakh since we're in Jerusalem, so that's why. There's a TV, flat screen TV made by Samsung. There's some water, another key card just in case I'm losing one. And that's probably the documents, but I'm not gonna show you that because of privacy. Let's get my bag over there. And what is here? It's a mini bar. Oh no, that's actually a fridge. that you actually put food and drink over there. And there's a coffee making kit. Over there is the coffee. Over there's either another coffee, probably capsules. These are the cups, a spoon over there, and that's the coffee making machine. There's another plug here with 2 USB plugs. That's very nice. And there's a couch. There's the TV. I'm gonna check it later. And let's see the view. Since this place is located on a higher part of the city, so it gets a better viewing. And over there's a bus parking lot or terminal, I don't know. That's probably the Supreme Court or other government facilities. And I think far from there, oh wait, that's not the Knesset. And there's another view over here. There's actually a balcony, so let's get outside to get a better view. And looks like it's actually not open, so we can't actually get out to the balcony and see the view. So yeah, basically that is the view. Pretty nice view of the city and the Jerusalem mountains. There's some buses over there, and I think that's it for the view. And let's check out the television, see which channels do they have here, since I not mostly watch television because there's nothing to watch on TV today. But let's see which channels do they look here. 37, what is that? Oh, Russian TV. Another Russian STS. For the sanctions, we'll probably get these channels out of there. Hot channels, cable provider, French television news, I-24 Israeli news in English, Channel 9, which is Israeli Russian language, or Channel 14. I fucking hate that channel. Hope channel for small children. 98, I don't know what is it. Discovery Science, CNN, RTV1, from RTL from Germany, TVE, RTSD, Euronews, RTR, Canal 24 Horas. What the heck was happened? I don't know, I don't speak Spanish. France 24, Fox News, CGTN, Channel 1 Russia, MTV, RTM, Channel 13, Channel 12, I fucking hate that channel. That's a Can 11, the public broadcasting in Israel, Eurosport, 5+, 5 Sport, Channel 8, Hot Zone, ZTV, Hot Cinema 4, 3, 2 and 1, and that's basically what are the channels in the television here, so not really what to watch here. Anyway, this is the room, and I hope you enjoyed the video, so please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel and click the notifications bell, and see you next time. Bye.